so your device run into problem, need to restart. So guys, first forcefully turn off your laptop, continue press your power button, then it is turned off, then release the power button. Okay, and then press shift key. You can see you can use left hand side key and then press power button. Means first press shift key and then press power button. Do not release shift key. After that it will come troubleshoot options, and after that we will start troubleshooting. Okay, then guys you will come on this screen. Okay, troubleshooting, this is main part of the Windows troubleshooting, and you can do from this window. And other, if the Windows does not boot or normally, and then try to repair Windows recovery is not coming like this screen. So this is next method. If you are using system desktop, so you have to restart 3 times forcefully, means on and then switch off your power button, then again on, then again off, then again on. So after that you will come this troubleshooting options. Okay, then click to troubleshoot, and then click advanced options, and then first more options. Also you can see this is the image. If you are created the image, you can restore, otherwise advance and click on command from. Okay, so this command from, to type chk dsk space C column space slash F space slash R, and then hit enter. After that it will scan and detect the malware and viruses, so it will remove it. So wait few seconds, it will complete. Okay, it's 3 step. This is first completed, now started second, and after that third, and then it will complete it. Then it is completed, then hit enter and type sfc space slash scan now, and then hit enter. So it will start again same percentage type of. This is very important. Then it is also completed 100% sfc scan. Then guys, last and very important, caps on dism space slash online space slash clean, C capital LEAN, clean up, comma, image space slash restore health, then hit enter. So it will come error because of this is try multiple time. Okay, otherwise try re again, type and go to this step and remove R and type capital, then try to hit, so it will same, so no worry, and then close it. Then guys, all step complete, then click to continue. Now you can see my system is start. Thank you guys.